Hey folks, Joel here with Braden Ford. A little bit different video today. I'm going to be getting a leveling kit installed on my truck today. So I'm just going to do a quick kind of before and after video. So I'll just show you the truck from a couple different angles. They're not going to be the stock tires. They're aftermarket rims and tires. So I'll also give you a little bit of detail on that. But yeah, just want you to get a good look at what it looks like now. So you can see with the aftermarket rims and tires, there's really not much clearance going on there. So I got it going in the shop here in a bit. It's upside down, but the size is 275 65 R20, and yeah, they're pretty nice tires. So anyways, we're going to be doing a leveling kit on it, so I'll be able to see you guys. I believe it's like a 2.5 inch ready lift. So yeah, this is the before video, and stay tuned for the after video. All right guys, so here we are. Al's just doing it right now for us. He's got all the wheels off and everything. Getting her preps here. It's gonna be looking good. All right folks, so it's all done. I'm very impressed. Looks awesome. Just puts it all together. You can see how much it's spaced out there compared to the way it was before. Looks great. Anyway, that's all. Like and subscribe for more.